tools are just packed up in one big box, and that is the AI toolbox right on the startup page of Wondershare Filmora. That's not all. We are also going to check out the voice changer effects, new audio-driven text effects, and guess what? Better captions than Hey my dear friends, Alex here from Alex Edits, and without wasting much of your time, when you open Wondershare Filmora, you are going to see this option right here, which is the AI toolbox. And as you open right here, you're going to find all of these AI tools right here. Of course, right? Screen recorder, text to video, text-based editing, silent detection, and so forth and so forth. So this is just going to make the whole job easier of looking for some of these hidden features right in the software inside. When you check right here, you're going to find them all at easy. Alright my dear friends, so let us move on to the second one very fast so that we can quickly reach the elephant in the room. And that is the pillar of this whole update. Alright, so the second one right here is the voice change effect, okay? So basically, I would like to be honest with you guys that we've been having these effects all along. In all the previous versions, we've been having all these, but they were not the way they are right now. Not in terms of the effects, but in terms of where to find them. Alright, so right now when you select your audio right here, you're going to find this option right here, and when you go for it, you're going to see different of all these voice changer effects. Okay, so recently we've been having these features just as I have said earlier, but through the effects tab. So when you go to the effects right here, you're gonna search down here and you're going to find this option right here of the audio effects. Okay, so right here is where you're going to find these voice changer effects. Okay, but right now I think this is much more cleaner and effective so that you find these effects right here. Okay, so right here you can search whatever the effect that you want. They're actually divided into two right here, the voice filters and the voice correctors, but they are all under voice changer. So when you go to the voice character right side here, you're going to find there are the hacker, male and child, AI robot, and so forth, but they are all almost the same. Alright, so you got it right there. Let's move on to the next one, which is the audio driven text effects. Alright, so this is quite hidden. These are the quite hidden ones. Alright, so you may try to find out on the titles and stuff. Somehow you may not find them. Alright, so let me show you exactly how to find these ones and to see and exactly how you make use of them. When you go right here on the titles here, you are going to find this option right here, which is the title templates. Alright, and when you select it here, just a little bit of a scroll down, you will see it right here, the audio driven text effects. Okay, so you're going to find all of them right here. They are not as much as other effects are. Alright, so there are different type of them right here, and you can find the one that you want and you think fits the best to your projects. Okay, as you can see, all of these, the effects of the title are going to be effective through the music. Okay, so something must be playing right on the background so that you can see the effectiveness of these effects. Alright, my dear friends, so I think we have gotten all of these three right here. Now we're going to the last one, which is the very main pillar of this whole update. Okay, alright, so I'm just going to use this my audio right here so that you can see exactly how these captions have become better. Alright, when you select your audio right here in the timeline, you can select this option right here, which is the speech to text, so that you can see exactly what we are talking about here. Alright, and right here you are going to see this usual pop-up window right here, but it's not usual anymore because there's something that has been added right there just to make up the difference that we want to talk about today. Alright, now as you can see right here, of course you do the clip selection right here. I'm not doing the entire timeline sequence, and of course this option right here which you are seeing, add automatic or active words. Alright, this is exactly the thing that we are talking about. When you select it right here, you are going to see nothing else but of course to go okay. Alright, so here we go. Alright, our 11 seconds audio is being transcribed. Let us wait patiently. Alright, so right here, my dear friend, as you can see right here, when you go back to the very main, the starting point right here, you can find out that we have the basic here. Not only the basic this time around, but we have the templates. Find out that we have different templates that are already made for you. You don't have to do anything right here. There are 8 templates right here that you can actually use in a click of a button. Alright, so right here, for example, let me just try this option right here, and you can see right here that everything just comes up like that, and boom, you don't have to do anything else. Your captions are coming up the way you want. Alright, and these are the options right here. You can try all of them, all of these options right here. Just choose which one that fits all according to your video. Okay, now just as I've said earlier, if you wanna do some tricks around, maybe you like this one here but you don't like the green color, everything is sorted for you right there. When you select it in this way, you go to the basic side, and then right here you can do the changes. Right here, as you can see, the active words are being colored in green on this template right here. So that means you can actually play around with this color here and then put the one that you want. Understood? Alright, but basically this is a very good update, my dear friend, and this actually helps a lot of Filmora editors, because each and every time they've been making up a video and then try to get other softwares like CapCut so that they can put the caption without wasting much of their time. But this time around, we are all sorted out. Everything is all good. Alright, my dear friend, thank you so much for watching this video to this very point. If you have found some value and some help, please do subscribe and help the growth of this channel. And you can check out one of those 2 videos right here on the screen to find something which is useful. And until we meet in the next episode, peace.